everyone, this is Selena.
This is Hallie.
We are close friend, global 친구.
Let's learn Korean numbers.
There are two types of Korean numbers. One, the Sino Korean numbers. Two, the native Korean numbers. Last video we learned about the native Korean numbers. So let's learn the Sino Korean numbers in this video. Okay, so what is the Sino Korean numbers?
Sino-Korean numbers are actual Korean words that have originated from China or have Chinese word influences. Sino-Korean numbers are used to express dates and months of the year, the minutes and seconds when telling the time, phone numbers, and counting money. Let's begin. 0,
영, 영, or 공, 공, 영 or 공.
1,
일, 일,
2,
이, 이,
3,
삼, 삼,
4,
사, 사,
5,
오, 오,
6,
육, 육,
7,
칠, 칠,
8,
팔, 팔,
9,
구, 구,
10.
십, 십,
So now we can count from 1 to 10.
일, 이, 삼, 사, 오, 육, 칠, 팔, 구, 십. Yay!
So numbers after 10. Just as with the native Korean numbers, you just say 10 and then add the extra digit. So 11 is
10, 1, 11, 11,
12,
10, 2, so 12, 12,
13,
13, 13,
14,
14, 14,
15,
15, 15,
16,
16, 16,
17,
17, 17,
18,
18, 18,
19,
19, 19,
20,
is 2, 10, 2, 10, so 20, 20,
2 times 10.
yeah.
21,
21, 21, 2, 10, 1, 21,
30,
30, 30,
40,
40, 40,
50,
50, 50,
60,
60, 60,
70,
70, 70,
80,
80, 80,
90,
90, 90,
100,
100, 100,
101,
101, 101, 101,
123,
123, 123,
200,
200, 200, 200, 200, 200,
300,
300, 300, 300,
500,
500, 500, 500,
1,000,
1000, 1000,
5,000,
5 and 1000, 5000, 5000,
10,000,
만, 만,
20,000,
2 times 10,000, 2만, 2만,
30,000,
3 times 10,000, 3만, 3만,
How to say 100,000?
10만, 10만,
It's 10 times 10,000. What about 1 million?
100만, 100만.
So literally it's 100 times 10,000.
Yes.
What about 100 million?
억. 1억. 1억.
We use Sino-Korean numbers for phone numbers. What's your phone number?
전화번호가 뭐예요? 전화번호가 뭐예요? 010-2369-2198. We say 0, 0 or 0. 0 or 0. But when we talk about the phone number, we say 0, 0, 010, 0.
We also use Sino-Korean numbers for dates and months in the year. The counter for month is
월,
and the counter for day is
1.
When is your birthday?
9월 29일. 9월 29일. So Haley, 생일이 언제야?
7월 18일.
7월 18일. So when's your birthday?
Leave a comment below in Korean. When counting money, we also use Sino-Korean numbers. The counter for money or dollars is
원.
How much is this?
이거 얼마예요? 이거 얼마예요? 3만 원. 30,000 won. 3만 원 주세요.
That's too expensive.
오케이. 2만 5천 원. 2만 5천 원 주세요.
11,000 won?
No, 25,000.
No.
오케이. 10,000 원. 그냥 10,000원만 주세요. 10,000원. 10,000 won.
Yay, okay. If you have questions, leave it in the comments below. When's your birthday?
In Korean. 한국어로 알려주세요. In Korean. 그럼 좋아요와 구독을 눌러주세요.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.
See you next time.
다음에
Bye.